It is now.
There's that line. Shit. That's a lot of dust.
I got my eyes.
Shit, good too.
Huh? Yeah. Power cut off again? Keep cutting off. Yeah, don't open no more fridges. Holy shit out.
Shit, no shit.